x-axis. We say like question 22, we say 8 plot the points, B, which is 5 and -3, C, which is 3 and 3, and D, which is -3 and 3 on the grid. Okay, so to do this on the grid, we stopped first with B, which is 5 and -3. We say we start at the x-axis, 5 is here, and then we go to the y-axis, which is -3. The intersection of the 2 points is at this point. Then we say this is the point B, which is 5 and -3. Then go to the point C, which is 3 and 3. We go to the 3 on the x-axis and 3 on the y-axis, the intersection of the 2 points together. This will be the coordinate of the point C, which is equal to C is equal to 3 and 3. After that, we go to the last point, D, which is -3 and 3. We go to this one, it's on the x-axis. Okay, and 3 on the y-axis. The intersection of the 2 points together is going to be here. So this is point D, which is -3 and 3. So this is how we do plot the points.
Ana, eso solo está trapezium.
Okay, the 3 join what? Join the points A, B, C, and D. Where is the point D we have? This is the point we have given already A here. Okay, we need to join these points together. Okay, with a straight line, we use our ruler. So we join this point here with this point A. And then we join this point with this point B. And we join this point here. And then we join this point over here. Okay, and I think this is will be yes, isosceles trapezium. What shape, name of this shape? We say it's what? It's isosceles trapezium. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, complete the calculations. 5 plus 2 multiply 3. According to BODMAS, what
Yeah.
we do first? We do multiplication first. We do the multiplication first. So the answer is going to be what? It is going to be 5 plus 6. That's equals to 11. Okay.
Okay.
And for the second question, this one, 5 multiply 6 plus 4 multiply 2. And we do the
38.
multiplication. It's going to be 30 plus 8, and that's equals to 38. Okay. But according to what you need here, you don't need to do these calculations because if you look, each one of them with 1 mark, 1 mark. So you need to write the final answer only. Right here, what? 11. And right here, what? 38. Because each question was 1 mark, so nobody wants from your steps. They just want the final answer. Let's go to question 24. Fill in the missing numbers to make this subtractions correct. We've got subtraction and we need to make it correct. We say this number minus this number, and I give you this answer. If you look, there is no number here. You can replace this number with what? With a 0. So this number here will be what? Will be a 0. You've got 0 here. 0 minus which number will give you 2? You need to understand when you have 0, that means it is 10 minus.
Not the 0.
Yes, this number here should be what?
8.
Should be 8. So we could borrow 1 from this 6 and it will become 10. 10 minus 8 is equals to 2. Then this will be 6. 6 minus 4 is also equals what?
2.
Equals to 2. Why? Because we borrow 1 from the 7, so this will be 6. Now we have 3 minus number equal to 9. I know there is 3 minus any number cannot be 9 unless this 3 is 13. And 13 minus which number give you 9?
4.
13 minus
4.
13 minus 4 will give you 9. Remember, we borrow 1 from here. So a number minus 8 will give us 6. Okay? A number minus 8 will give us 6. What this number could be? A number minus 8 give us 6. This number should be 14, right?
Mm.
But if 14, that means this one is 4. So to be 14, but we borrow 1 from here. So this number here should be what? Should be
4.
5. Because when we take 1 from it, it will be 4. Then we say 14 minus 8 is equal to what?
6.
Equal to 6. And this here will be what?
2.
This will be 2 because this 3 already we borrow 1 from here. To the 4, so to make it 14. So this is how our number is going to be look like. Okay?
Yes.
Fatima has some pens. She gives 3/10 of her pens to her brother. She gives her brother 12 pens. How many pens is, how many pens is she left with? We know that 3/10, we say this 3/10 is equal to how many?
0.3.
3/10 is
50%.
equals to 12 pens. Okay? We say she gives 3/10 of her pens to her brother. She gives her brother 12 pens. That means 3/10 is equal to 12. Okay? Low?
Yes.
Yes, 3/10 is equal to 12. Okay, if 3/10 of what? 3/10 of a missing number here is equal to 12. And we know in mathematics, when we say of, it means what? It means multiply.
Right.
It means 3/10 multiply by a number is give us what?
40.
Is give us 12.
Yeah. It's 40.
Okay, so we need to know what this number here. To know what this number, if like you multiply this 3, multiply number, give you 12, that means it's 12 divided by 3/10 will give us what?
40.
Yes. So what you need to do is what? You say it is 12 divided by 3/10. And when we divide, you can convert. You say it's 12 multiply 10/3. Okay? 12
Okay.
multiply 10 is 120, divide 3 is equals to 40. So the answer is what? It's a 40. So this 40 pence is what? It's all the pens. When she gives 3/10, what is left with her is 7 out of 10.
Yes.
So 7 out of 10 of 40, or multiply 40. This is equals what? We divide 40, divide 10 is 4, multiply 7 is equal to 28. So how many pens left?
28.
28 pens. Are we clear?
Yes.
Yes.